The Indians recruited for the Russian-Ukraine conflict, we're talking about them. Sources are saying that India will raise the issue in the strongest terms. We want the expeditious discharge of Indians fighting in the Ukrainian conflict from the Russian military. A source said at least 4 Indians have been killed so far and about 30 to 50 recruits are believed to be in the army. 10 Indians have been allowed to return from the conflict. This is the breaking news coming in right now. Sabyasachi continues to stay with us. Sabyasachi, sources are telling that India is going to raise the issue about the discharge of Indians fighting in the Ukrainian conflict.
Well, absolutely. This point has been on the agenda of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Specifically, if you see in the past, Indians have lost their life fighting in the Russia-Ukraine war, and at this particular time, a lot of Indians are fighting for the Russian side. At this particular point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be discussing with the Russian counterpart regarding this particular issue, making sure that all the Indians who have been fighting for Russia can return to the country safely, because at that particular time we had seen that a lot of things were going on. Time and again the oppositions have been raising this issue. What about the Indians who have been fighting in the war? Will they be brought back? So this is clearly
one of the most important issues on the agenda, Sabyasachi, because sources are telling it that at least 4 Indians have been killed and about 30 to 50 recruits are believed to be in the army. Thank you so much for joining us, Sabyasachi. And with this, we are slipping into a short break. We'll be right back with more updates and stories on the other side.